Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are talking about one of our favorite topics, elegant dinner dresses. Whether you are attending a formal gala or a out with friends, a beautiful dinner dress is the perfect way to make a statement. First, let's talk about some of the key elements of an elegant dinner dress. Look for high quality fabrics like silk, satin, or lace. These materials will give you dress, a luxurious feel, and a beautiful drape. Next, consider the neckline and sleeves. A classic choice is a strapless or off the shoulder neckline paired with long sleeves or a flowing shawl. Now let's showcase some of our favorite elegant dinner dresses. First up, we have this stunning black gown from different brands. The fitted bodice and full skirt are perfect for a formal occasion, and the subtle embellishments add a touch of glamour. Next, we have these gorgeous red dresses. The bold color and flowing design make it perfect for a night out on the town, and high neckline adds a touch of sophistication. We also want to share some tips for styling your elegant dinner dress. First, keep jewelry simple and understated. A pair of stud earrings and a classic watch is perfect for complementing your dress without overpowering it. Next, consider your shoes. A pair of high heels will elongate your legs and add to the overall glamour of your look. Now let's talk about some of the different types of elegant dresses. First, we have the classic ball gown dress. This style is perfect for formal events like galas and weddings. Next, we have the sleek and sophisticated sheath dress. This style hugs the body and creates a stunning silhouette. We also love the fitted mermaid dress, which flares out at the knees for a dramatic effect. And finally, we have the flowy maxi dress, perfect for a more relaxed dinner party or outdoor event. When choosing an elegant dinner dress, consider the occasion, your body type, and your personal style. For example, if you are attending a black tie event, opt for a floor length gown in a neutral color. If you are looking for something more trendy, try a dress with bold colors or statement sleeves. We also want to share some of our favorite designers for elegant dinner dresses. From Oscar de la Renta to Vera Wang, these designers create stunning gowns that are sure to turn heads. In our next segment, we will be showcasing some of our favorite elegant dinner dresses for specific body types. From petite to plus size, we have got you covered. This fitted bodice and flared skirt creates a stunning silhouette. The flowing design and V neckline creates a flattering, comfortable fit. Elegant dinner dresses also perfect for special occasions like anniversaries and birthdays. When choosing a dress for a special occasion, consider the theme and dress code. For example, if you're attending a vintage themed party, opt for a dress with a retro flair. We also want to share some of our favorite ways to style elegant dinner dresses for everyday wear. Try pairing a dress with a denim jacket and sneakers for a casual look, or add a blazer and heels for a more polished look. For statement sleeves through sustainable materials, we have got you covered inside the scoop. Statement earrings, bold, sparkling earrings can add glamour to any outfit. A delicate chain or pendant can add a touch of elegance. Classic and timeless diamond studs are perfect for formal events. A classic pearl necklace can add sophistication to any outfit. For men, cufflinks can add a touch of personality to a formal shirt. Then stilettos, pumps, or strappy sandals can elongate the legs and add glamour. For a more edgy look, dress boots can add a cool touch. For men, loafers can add a sophisticated touch to a formal outfit. For warmer weather, sandals can be a stylish and comfortable option. For those who prefer a lower heel, kitten heels can be a great alternative. Small, elegant clutches can add a touch of glamour to any outfit. Beaded or embroidered evening bags can add sophistication. Delicate beaded fascinators can add a touch of whimsy. Bye for now.